In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to block ads on Chrome browser on your iPhone. You can simply disable ads from popping up on your Chrome browser in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Chrome. Tap on these dots right here. You will have to swipe right onto the settings icon. On this page, scroll down onto the option of content settings. Select the first option of block pop-ups. Disable this option off. Ads won't appear on your Chrome browser anymore. That's how easy it is to block ads on your Chrome browser for iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.